India's defense developments. Operation Sankalp. The Indian Navy deterred potential actions from Western adversary, Pakistan, and conducted anti-piracy operations under Operation Sankalp in key sea regions. Operation Sankalp is an Indian Navy maritime security mission to protect Indian flag vessels in the Strait of Hormuz, Persian Gulf, Gulf of Oman, and extended areas like the Red Sea and Arabian Sea. Yudh Seva Medal. Commodore Kartik Srimal was awarded the Yudh Seva Medal during the Naval Investiture ceremony 2025 at Nausena, Bhawan. The Yudh Seva Medal is an Indian military decoration awarded for distinguished service of a high order during war, conflict, or hostilities. Export order for Reliance Defence. Reliance Defence secured a 600 crore rupees export order from Germany's Rheinmetall Waffe Munition GmbH to supply large caliber ammunition, including artillery shells and explosives. The order is part of a strategic partnership to manufacture explosives and propellants for medium and large caliber ammunition to be produced at a new facility in the Dhirubhai Ambani Defence City, DEDC, in Ratnagiri, Maharashtra. This defense order from Germany boosts India's indigenous defense manufacturing and export capabilities. SCO meeting. India now treats terror acts as acts of war, with the Resistance Front, a proxy of Lashkar-e-Taiba, claiming responsibility for an attack in Pahalgam, as noted by the Indian Defense Minister Rajnath Singh at the recently held SCO meeting in Qingdao, China. SCO is Shanghai Cooperation Organization, a Eurasian political, economic, and security alliance between China, Russia, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, India, and Pakistan. SCO focuses on regional security, counterterrorism, and economic cooperation. DRDO announcement. DRDO announced advancements in missile technology and artificial intelligence labs, marking a significant leap in India's defense capabilities. Indian Army field tests. The Indian Army is conducting tests at the Gopalpur seaward firing ranges in Odisha to counter drone attacks, emphasizing the critical role of ground soldiers despite technological advancements. International defense news. Pakistan's J-35A. Pakistan's Defense Minister Khawaja Asif denied reports of a deal with China to acquire J-35A fifth-generation fighters. Australia's support to Ukraine. A U.S.-built M1 Abrams tank in Australian camouflage was spotted in Poland, indicating Australia's upcoming armor support to Ukraine. Defense order for Raytheon. Arlington, Virginia-based U.S. defense company, Raytheon received a $279.2 million contract to support the U.S. Army's land-based phalanx weapon system. Raytheon specializes in advanced defense technologies, including missile systems, e.g., Patriot, Tomahawk, radar systems, cybersecurity solutions, and electronic warfare equipment. Stealth UV found in Iran. Iranian authorities found wreckage of an unidentified stealth-like UV at Karamabad area in western Iran, suggesting advanced surveillance capabilities. Canada-Latvia defense ties. Canada's Defense Minister David J. McGuinty concluded a visit to Latvia, reinforcing ties with NATO's multinational battle group Latvia called MBLVA, and discussing upcoming exercises like Oak Resolve, Resolute Guardian, and Resolute Warrior. UK defense budget. The UK announced plans to increase defense spending to 5% of GDP by 2035, as highlighted during Armed Forces Day events in Glasgow. U.S. defense activities. U.S. concern. U.S. Air Force leaders expressed concerns about China's PLA missile capabilities and kill web development, prioritizing Indo-Pacific defense enhancements in the 2026 budget. U.S. cyber defense. U.S. Army Principal Cyber Advisor Brandon Pugh participated in a Cyber Defense Goes Critical panel at the Aspen Ideas Festival, discussing cyber defense strategies. The Aspen Ideas Festival is an annual week-long event hosted by the Aspen Institute in Aspen, Colorado, bringing together global leaders, thinkers, and innovators to discuss critical issues in policy, science, arts, and culture. U.S. strikes on Iran. U.S. strikes on Iran's nuclear facilities were reported to have set back the program by months, though the Pentagon claimed the capability was obliterated. A BBC report citing U.S. intelligence suggested the strikes were less decisive, highlighting ongoing tensions. Israel's Lebanon model. Posts on X indicated Israel's defense minister emphasized maintaining air superiority using the Lebanon model and warned of strikes if Iran resumes uranium enrichment. The Lebanon model refers to a strategy Israel has employed in its conflict with Hezbollah in Lebanon, characterized by a ceasefire agreement that Israel interprets as allowing it to conduct targeted military strikes against perceived threats, even after a truce, while expecting its adversary to adhere strictly to the ceasefire terms. Shortage in ammunition. Israel is reportedly short on anti-missile ammunition, while Yemen and Iran are collaborating on ballistic missile production. Australia and Iran. Australian defence spending. Australian Prime Minister resisted immediate defence spending increases but strongly supported the U.S. alliance. Terrorism. With U.S. strikes on Iran noted as causing a significant setback to its nuclear program, Australia's government listed terrorism as a concern. Thanks for watching till the end. If you like this video, please subscribe and share with your friends, family, and relatives. Please inform in the comments section what kind of videos you want next.